Hello, hi, welcome to Kritik's Castle. I'm Kritik and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. First, sit down on your bottoms, join your hands together and say a secret words. That is Namaste. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Good. Now, now we are doing 5 poses. The first pose is door pose. First you bend your knees, then bring your foot here, then bring your hand up, then bend. Woo! Very good everyone. Now let's see if we can do it on the right side. Bending our knees again and putting one foot away and putting one foot up and putting one hand up, then bending one more time. Woo! That's much better. Now the second pose is dog pose. Bend like this, then lift your leg up and wiggle it like a dog. Now next, the third pose is baby pose. Just sleep like this. Then lift your foot up and put your hands over here. Baby pose. Now next, we're going to do broom pose. This is broom pose. Now next, the fifth pose is stand up and put your hands up, starfish pose. Now let's do warm-up. Shake your hands up, then shake your hands down. Then turn your head like this. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.